Welcome to today's Home English Network. Today we talk about simple daily English conversation. If you are a beginner and want to speak English more confidently in your daily life, this lesson is for you. In this practice, we will learn simple conversations that you can use every day. You will hear common questions, easy answers, useful expressions, and natural English sentences. Try to listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and speak aloud. Remember, you do not need perfect English to start speaking. You just need regular practice. Conversation 1. Meeting someone. Anna. Hi. Good morning. John. Good morning. How are you, Anna? I'm good, thank you. How are you, John? I'm great, thanks. Anna. What's your name? John. My name is John. What's your name, Anna? I'm Anna. Nice to meet you, John. Nice to meet you too. This is one of the easiest conversations to practice. You can use it when you meet someone for the first time. Useful expressions. Good morning. How are you? I'm good, thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Try changing the names and practice this conversation several times. Conversation 2. Talking about your day. Sarah. What are you doing today? Mike. I'm going to work. Sarah. What time do you start work? Mike. I start at 9 o'clock. Sarah. What time do you finish? Mike. I finish at 5 o'clock. Sarah. What do you do after work? Mike. I usually go home and relax. These sentences are useful when talking about your daily routine. You can also say, I wake up at 7. I have breakfast at 8. I go to work in the morning. I come home in the evening. I watch TV at night. Practice describing your own day in simple English. Do not worry about making long sentences. Start with short and clear sentences. Conversation 3. At a coffee shop. Customer. Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please? Server. Sure. Would you like milk? Customer. Yes, please. Server. Would you like sugar? Customer. No, thank you. Server. Anything else? Customer. Yes. Can I have a sandwich, please? Server. Of course. Customer. How much is it? Server. It's $5. Customer. Here you are. Server. Thank you. Have a nice day. Customer. Thank you. You too. This conversation teaches you useful phrases for ordering food and drinks. Remember these expressions. Can I have? I'd like. Anything else? How much is it? Here you are. Have a nice day. These phrases are simple, polite, and very common. Conversation 4. Asking for directions. Tom. Excuse me. Can you help me? Lisa. Sure. What do you need? Tom. Where is the nearest supermarket? Lisa. It's near the bank. Tom. Is it far from here? Lisa. No, it's very close. Tom. How can I get there? Lisa. Go straight and turn left at the corner. Tom. Thank you very much. Lisa. You're welcome. When you are traveling or visiting a new place, these sentences can be very useful. Practice these words. Near, far, straight, left, right, corner, bank, supermarket. You can make your own questions using the same pattern. Where is the bus station? Where is the hotel? Is the restaurant far from here? Conversation 5. Shopping. Customer. Excuse me. How much is this shirt? Shop assistant. It's $20. Customer. Do you have it in blue? Shop assistant. Yes, we do. Customer. Can I try it on? Shop assistant. Of course. The changing room is over there. Customer. Thank you. Shop assistant. You're welcome. After trying the shirt. Customer. I like it. I'll take it. Shop assistant. Great. Useful shopping expressions include, how much is this? Do you have another color? Do you have a larger size? Can I try it on? I'll take it. I'm just looking, thank you. Practice these sentences until they feel natural. Conversation 6. Talking about family. Emma. Do you have a big family? David. Yes, I do. Emma. How many people are in your family? David. There are 5 people in my family. Emma. Do you have any brothers or sisters? David. Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. Emma. That's nice. Do you live with your family? David. Yes, I do. You can use this conversation to talk about your own family. For example, I have 1 brother. I have 2 sisters. My parents live with me. I have a small family. I have a big family. Simple sentences are perfect for beginners. Conversation 7. Talking about hobbies. Jack. What do you like to do in your free time? Emily. I like reading books. What about you, Jack? I enjoy watching movies. Emily. What kind of movies do you like? Jack: I like comedy movies. Emily: that sounds fun. You can replace reading books with your own hobby. I like listening to music. I like playing football. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy walking. I love watching movies. I like learning English. The more you talk about things you enjoy, the easier English speaking becomes. Conversation 8. Making plans. Sam: are you free this evening? Maria: yes, I am. Why? Sam: would you like to go for a walk? Maria: sure. What time? Sam: how about 6 o'clock? Maria: that sounds good. Sam: great, see you at 6. Maria: see you. Useful expressions for making plans. Are you free? Would you like to? What time? How about? That sounds good. See you then. Practice these phrases with different activities. Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to watch a movie? Would you like to go shopping? Conversation 9. Talking on the phone. Alex: hello, may I speak to Sarah? Sarah: speaking. Who's calling? Alex: hi, Sarah. It's Alex. How are you? Sarah: I'm fine, thanks. How about you? Alex: I'm good. I just wanted to talk to you. Sarah: sure, what's going on? Alex: nothing special. I wanted to ask you about tomorrow. Telephone conversations can feel difficult for beginners because you cannot see the other person. That is why listening practice is especially important. Practice phrases like, who's calling? Speaking. Can you hear me? Please say that again. Could you speak slowly? I'll call you later. Conversation 10. At home. Mom: are you hungry? Son: yes, I'm very hungry. Mom: what would you like to eat? Son: I'd like some rice and chicken, please. Mom: would you like something to drink? Son: yes, please. I'd like some water. Mom: okay, your food will be ready soon. Son: thank you. These are very natural sentences that you can use at home. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Listen to each sentence and repeat it aloud. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. Do not speak too quickly. Speak clearly and confidently. Say, good morning. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. What are you doing today? I'm going to work. What would you like? I'd like some coffee, please. Where is the nearest supermarket? Can you help me, please? Would you like to come with me? That sounds great. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Now try to create your own short conversation. Start with a greeting. Ask a simple question. Give an answer. Then ask another question. For example, hi, how are you? I'm great, thanks. How about you? I'm good. What are you doing today? I'm going shopping. Would you like some coffee before you go? Sure, that sounds great. This kind of practice can help you become more comfortable speaking English. Final practice challenge. Here is your challenge for today. Speak English for 5 minutes without stopping. Talk about yourself. Tell us your name, where you are from, what you do, what you like, your daily routine, and your plans for tomorrow. You can say, my name is, I live in, I usually wake up at, I work, in my free time, I like, my favorite food is, tomorrow, I'm going to. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every time you speak, you are improving. The most important thing is consistency. Practice a little every day. Listen to English, repeat useful sentences, and try to use new expressions in real conversations. If you are a beginner, remember, simple English is good English. You do not need difficult vocabulary or complicated grammar to communicate. Start with everyday words and sentences, and slowly build your confidence. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. The more you practice, the more natural English will become. Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Practice English every day, and one day you will speak with confidence.